Hello, second grade. Welcome to another day of e-learning where you are going to be listening to Princess Penelope's Parrot. So for this read aloud, you need to click the link right here and listen to the read aloud on YouTube. Then this is the directions page where this video will be placed when I am done making it. Then you are going to come to this page where you are going to write a little letter to Helen Lester, letting her know what you liked about this book. So I'm going to have this here for you, Dear Helen Lester. And then I'm also going to have for you, I'm going to put the date, because we know when we write a letter, 26/2023, we know when we write a letter, we have the greeting. We have the greeting right here, Dear Helen Lester. This is on the left-hand side. And then we have our date up in the right-hand corner. So you are going to be using your text box today to write a letter to Helen Lester. I would like this letter to be 3 sentences with capital letters at the beginning and punctuation at the end. So that means 3 complete sentences. So, Dear Helen Lester, and then you're going to say, what did you like about this book? Did you like the message of the story? What you learned from the book? What was funny about this book? Did you find any different parts to be very funny? You can tell about those parts in your letter. Did you have an opinion about how our main character was behaving through this story? And maybe you could answer the question of, were you surprised when the parrot repeated back everything Penelope had said? So, 3 sentences, capital letter at the beginning of all of your sentences, and make sure you capitalize those proper nouns, and then make sure you also have punctuation at the end of your letter. And then we are also going to add in our closing. So that's when we say sincerely, oops, gotta spell it right, sincerely, comma, and then you can add your name to that text box. So when you come to this part, you can click on it and get your typing going and push enter, and you can put your name right there. Okay, so you have your date, you have your greeting, and then you have your closing. And then right here in the middle is where you are going to have the body of your letter. You need to use a text box to type this, that's for sure. You can also have the option, some of you might be more comfortable handwriting this letter. So if you have a pencil and a paper available, I am completely fine if you get out a piece of paper and you copy the date into the left-hand corner, and then, you copy the date into the right-hand corner, and then your greeting over to the left, and your closing at the end, and then you handwrite the letter. If you do that, if you make that choice, you can just put this picture and take a photo of your letter and upload it right here. You can also, of course, have the option of typing your letter. So you can get a text box started, and you can begin typing what you want to say in that letter, and then position it right here in the middle for your body of your letter. So you have 2 choices there. Either one is fine, but just remember 3 sentences and full and complete sentences with a subject and a predicate, and make sure you capitalize and have end punctuation.